Hey what's up guys, my name is Santosh, you're watching Smart Tech, and in today's video we'll be reviewing the Timex Helix Gusto band. There's a giveaway, so watch till end. This band was recently released in India and it was recorded one of the best bands with lot of features like heart rate sensor, sleep tracker and much more. So we'll be taking a quick look of this band. This is my second review. Let's see what's inside and how to use guide, and now let's get started.
Smart Tech Official. Do it unique.
First things first, the price of this band is rupees 2295, and inside the box you get a how to use guide, a band and the charger itself. So for people who have fat hands can use this band. As you can see, it's quite big and it comes with lot of features, and the size of this band is 0.96 inch. As you can see, it's 0.96 inch non-touch display and you get smooth animations over here. The band is actually removable and you can charge that. As you can see, it looks pretty much neat and it comes to one button navigation, which means if you touch once it navigates you to different settings. And as I told you, the settings are very much useful here and the animations are amazing. And now let me tell you how to use this band. So for that, first you should go to your Play Store and download this app called Helix Timex. The companion app name is Helix Timex. So once you finish that, you have to go inside the app and sign in yourself and do whatever you wish like. So let me just fast forward the video. Once you're finished with that, you can control a lot of features like the heart rate sensor, step count tracker, calorie count, sleep tracker, etc. This might be one of the best fitness bands because you can count your calories and much more. It might be very much helpful for you to lose fat. The battery might last up to 7 days of continuous use, which is pretty much amazing. And the band is made up of the TPU material. I really don't know what that means, but the band is made up of that. You can search on Google, I think so. Talking about the color here, it comes with 3 colors: midnight blue, smooth black and sporty aqua. So that's it. Now let me talk about the giveaway. This is a pre-scheduled giveaway. If you don't know or new to my channel, you might not know. I had told in my previous videos that I'll be doing a giveaway of this band. And of course, you have to enter inside by the gleam.io. And if you can't enter, just comment down below. And what you have to do is subscribe to my channel and like the video, be active in my channel and follow my Instagram account. Link is in the description. Instagram account you must follow, it's very important. And that's it for the giveaway. Signing up as Santosh from Smart Tech. Do it unique.